Hey boys and girls. Hey, we're back at it. What a day. It's Friday. This is Duramax land today. Normally we talk Ford Powerstroke land or Dodge land. I'm on this Duramax my buddy has. And the truck quit running. And we're thinking, well, we got a code, P0336, which is crankshaft sensor not seeing a signal. I've worked on like 20 of these trucks with crankshaft signal problems. Most of them are always a broken wire, or they put the crankshaft sensor in the camshaft hole. You can't switch them. I'm going to show you what a camshaft looks like. Sensor. All right. Okay. Remember this: the top sensor is the camshaft. The bottom sensor is the crank. I'm going to show you the camshaft sensor here. This is a camshaft sensor. We'll put them side by side. They look almost identical. This one right here is a crankshaft sensor, and this is a cam. They look the same, don't they? This is the camshaft. This is the crank. See how those things look? They look pretty close, huh? So most guys will interchange them and not thinking about it, and the truck will run for a second and then quit because it's not getting the right signal. I want to show you what I found today. Yeah, I don't mix them up. I want to show you that. Stay tuned. Hang on. Okay. So, I'm using my phone. Sorry. There is the crankshaft below. Okay. There's the wires. There's 3 wires. There's a green wire that gets a 12-volt signal from the PCM. There's a return signal wire. The other wire is a 5-volt reference signal. Okay. Here's the cam. They're not on the same circuit. There's the cam. Below that's the crank. They don't use the same circuit. So I went over here to the engine connector. Okay, this is the... Sorry, my phone's blurry right now. I gotta get me a new phone or something. But anyways, I don't know why I got all blurry for a second. So these are the 2 bail connectors. They're cleared up. I don't know what's wrong with the phone. Guys, bear with me on my video. I'm not charging for this. Okay, I paint a little bit of paint where the wire goes into. Okay, this is the green wire, and it goes down into the junction box, and it goes all the way down here to the PCM. I disconnected the PCM. Look what I found. It's number 2. You see the number 2 here on the blue. This is C1 connector. Blue is C1. The other connector on the ECM is C2. Look, the wires broke. So I undid the wrapping. There's the green broken wire, and look right there, that wire's broke off right there. There it is, broke off. That's why it won't run. Anyway, I want to show you guys that when you have a camshaft sensor issue, some do's and don'ts. So don't mix them up. But yeah, you can see that wire is completely broke off that. Woo! We're gonna fix that, so get ready. And we'll see how we do. And we'll see if this truck will run. Yee-hoo! Anyways, hope you guys are having a happy Friday. If you guys have any questions, give me an email or hit me up on the comments. Like my channel. I'm just trying to help out some Duramax guys. You guys know that on these early Duramaxes, the 01 to 2009s, you can upgrade the Hydro Boost to a 2010 unit, and that sucker will stop. Look at all this here. We're gonna have this running today. Woohoo! Anyways, you guys need to make sure you're doing all your checks with the circuits, and all that, and we'll see how we go. But anyways, thanks for watching my channel. That's what I had found as a broken green wire. Okay. Any questions? Hit me up. Have a nice day.